It's a beautiful morning in Ebonyi State, Nigeria, and this is me saying good morning to you, good afternoon, good evening, depending on wherever you're watching us from. What's up? Welcome back to Ebonyi People TV, your go-to channel for all the latest updates across Ebonyi State and beyond. Now, today we are heading over to Enugu State, and it's becoming quite the hot spot for some serious development. Have you all noticed how Governor Peter Mba has been putting in the work lately? It's been back to back investment and infrastructure projects lately. Is it just me, or is Peter Mba shaping up to be the most working, unquote, governor in the Southeast right now? What do you all think? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let's talk about it. So, earlier today, something big happened in Enugu City. Governor Peter Mba flagged off the construction of a brand new tractor assembly plant and service center, thanks to a major investment by ODK Group of Denmark. All the way from Denmark. Yeah, you heard that right. This isn't just any small project. We are talking about 1,000 tractors being imported all the way from Denmark and serviced in Enugu State. In fact, 200 out of the 1,000 of the tractors are already being imported, while the remaining 800 will be assembled in Enugu State. And here's the exciting part. This project is about to create tons of jobs and boost agriculture in Enugu. Farmers are going to have easy access to these tractors, and you know what that means. Bigger harvests, more opportunities, and ultimately a stronger economy. Governor Peter Mba's vision is clear. He wants to move the state's economy from 4.4 billion US dollars to a whopping 30 billion US dollars. An investment like this one, a massive step in that direction. You can't help but admire this man's foresight. Think about it. Instead of just importing 1,000 tractors, they are setting up a whole assembly plant and service center in Enugu State. That's the type of long-term thinking that's really going to transform the state. Enugu is fast becoming the go-to destination for investors in the Southeast. What do you all think of this strategy? Pretty smart, right? But wait, that's not all. Governor Peter Mba did stop at tractors only. At the same time, or rather simultaneously, he also commissioned the new Watson Doors industry, a huge project brought to life by a Chinese firm in Nachi, Enugu State. Remember we talked about this particular project just yesterday. So just kindly check our videos for the full tour of the industry. Enugu is just ticking all the boxes. From agriculture to manufacturing, it's all happening right now. If you've been thinking about investing in Enugu State, I'll keep saying it. Now is the right time to get in early. Watch as the state continues to rise with one project after another. We can't wait to see how all these developments unfold. And don't forget, we are always here for all your event coverage needs, whether it's photography, videography, or anything in between. Hit us up for events in and outside Ebonyi State. At least let this be a way of appreciating what we do on here in Ebonyi People TV. See you in our next video.
What we have gathered here to do today is not a mere symbolic act. It is certainly an act that takes us closer to actualizing the dream of having at least 1,000 tractors in Enugu by next year. Our vision in agriculture transcends the traditional notion of manual farming. We want to scale our agriculture to an industrial scale. We want to be able to ensure that we do not only produce or indeed crops that will just be sufficient for us to eat. We see agriculture as an export commodity, and so this is indeed the beginning of actualizing that dream. Initiatives like what we're doing with Notre not only creates employment opportunities, but it also stimulates our economy. It boosts that growth that we're expecting, that economic growth we're expecting to achieve here in Enugu. So we see this as opening a wide door of opportunities for our teeming young people to get upskilled and also to get constructively engaged